Welcome to my edit with me vlog, and also if you're here from Threads, please leave a comment that you're here from Threads. Now let's get into the video. So what I'm showing you is the Notion app that I use on my iPad. I know it's a bit blurry, I know you can't see it, but do not worry, we're gonna get to that later on in the video. Also, I will have everything time-stamped into chapters in the description if you want to just go ahead and jump around. I actually attached a screen record of Notion, so don't worry if you can't see it now, you'll see it later. But this is just me showing you I use a content planner template, and I will have that linked in the description box for you. If you use Notion and you want a content planner, check the description box. Mainly use Notion to plan my content, plan my YouTube. I have a checklist for editing, post-editing, pre-editing. This template is so helpful, and I'm so grateful that my friend Tiana made it. Also, I'm playing around with my thumbnails, so you may see a different style of thumbnail for this video. But like I said, all that will be in this video. I just want to show you that I use my iPad and I also use my MacBook to help plan out my content within the Notion app, and it's just been really helpful. I get most of my music from SoundCloud. And sometimes I'll find a really good mashup and then decide, you know, it's not the vibe, it's not it. I get tired of listening to it. And it happens sometimes. And then I'll find a mashup that I really like. When I feel like I've been staring at the screen too long, I just need to step away. I need to go outside, I need to touch grass, and sometimes I'll just go outside and start taking pictures with my phone. It inspires me in an interesting way. I will listen to music. I'll just explore other mediums of art to kind of get more inspiration before I get back to editing. Or sometimes I'll just do nothing. I want to go a little bit more in depth about using the Notion app and how I plan out my YouTube videos, because before I really didn't plan. So I'm really happy that I have this content planner to help me. So this is the YouTube template within my content calendar that I use to just help me stay on track. As you can see, we have different properties up top. So I title it Edit With Me, which of course is a video you're watching. It's not really a collab, so I took that off. And the date is for today. Fingers crossed I get it out today. Like I said, this is not a collab, so payment and all the other properties, I just hide them. As we scroll down, you can kind of see what is all in the YouTube template. We've got a brain dump, we have our script, we have a goal. Like, you always want to ask yourself, what's the why of your video? Also, this is where I drop my thumbnail ideas, and you can see my note, oh, maybe I should add handwriting to the thumbnail, maybe. So I'm going to play around with that. You can also change the text in Notion to whatever color you want. You can highlight the text, bold the text, italicize, etc., etc. And as we scroll down, I do have a B-roll list just to kind of help me stay organized with what B-roll I want in the video. Have I filmed the video? And is it in the video? This really helps me stay on top of things. Scroll down a little further and we have a editing checklist, which you may be thinking like, well, why do I need a checklist? Da, 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 da. Trust me, it helps. as an ex-software engineer, I love a good pre and post deployment checklist. It's not redundant at all. It really helps me make sure I've got my stuff together, okay? I've dotted the I's, I've crossed the T's, and this video is good to go. It's done. So now I'm using the app called Notability to add handwriting to my thumbnail. And I first want to say, I don't know if they've updated the app or it's a glitch, but for some reason it's sort of hard to drag your handwriting on the picture. You have to like shrink your picture, write your text, and then drag it onto the picture. I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong. But this is Notability, and like I said, I'm just experimenting with thumbnail options, seeing what works best, and hoping you all like it. Let me know in the comments if you like the thumbnail. So here is a preview of my timeline, and it is the video you're watching. So just think of it as an edit within an edit. I hope it's not too weird. But anyways, so my clips are color coded. It helps me quickly locate what part of the video I need to locate, especially when I'm dragging videos. I know the pink part is my intro / montage. So I know the pink is my intro and my montage for the beginning of the video. I know all that's pink, so I kind of like to call it chapter 1. And the orange is chapter 2, is sort of where I was showing you my iPad and the Notion app that I use. The yellow, chapter 3, is sort of talking about, you know, if I'm stuck creatively or if I'm procrastinating or if I have a creative block. That's that section. Then the green section, those are my screen recorded sections. So if I'm dragging and dropping clips, you know, on my timeline, I know where to drop those clips. And also I have markers above my timeline just to kind of let me know, hey, you need to drop like a text here. You need to let them know, you know, what the name of the app is. So I have Notion app. I need to remember to link the template in the description, so I have markers for that. My audio, I don't really color code my audio. There's not a lot of audio or sound design on this video, so I just kept it simple for the audio part. And that is all for this edit with me vlog. I hope you guys really liked it. If there was anything in the video that you want me to go into more detail about, please leave it below, and thank you for watching. Bye.